Dear students, welcome to Breadth Course online classes for I standard subject is mathematics. Dear students, in the previous class we are discussing about in arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These four operations are called the basic operations in mathematics. Today we are going on the operations on numbers. The operations on numbers. Dear students, we have know that in the previous year classes what are numbers and we are how to counting and then also digits. Today we are discussing about numbers. Numbers in Indo-Arabic systems we have 10 digits, students. In Indo-Arabic systems we have 10 digits. In those digits, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these digits are called, first digit is called 0, first symbol is called 0, second symbol is called 1, third symbol is called 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. Okay, next one is 5, next one is 6, next is 7, next is 8, last one is 9, like that. We read these digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, a numbers is denoted by group of digits. The group of digits are called, students, numbers. Numbers are group of digits. Numbers are group of digits. These groups are called numeral. These groups are called numerals. For denoting numeral, we use the place value chart. We use place value chart for denoting a numerals. Let's study about place value chart. Okay, first one, write the following numerals in words. Write the following numerals in words. First, write down place value chart. First one is unit place. Second one is tens. Third one is hundreds. Fourth one is thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and like that, students. Observe that one. First one number is, okay, 638,549. This is 6,38,549. Okay. First one is, the given number is 6 lakh, 6 lakh, 6 lakh 38,000, 38,549. Second one is 23 lakhs, 23 lakhs 80,917, 917. Third one is 8 crore 54 lakhs 16,008, 16,008. Okay, last one is 56 crores, 13 lakhs, 7,090. How we have studied the place value chart, dear students. First write down the given numeral. Okay, from right side of the numbers, start the right side first digit in unit. Second digit is 10, third digit is 100, fourth one is 1000, fifth one is 10,000, sixth one is lakh, seventh one is 10 lakhs, eighth one is crore, ninth one is 10 crores, like that, students. Okay, first you understood how to fill the in place value chart the numerals. Okay, how to fill the numerals in place value chart. First is, okay, the given numeral is filled the right first digit in unit, second digit in 10, third digit in 100, fourth digit in 1000, fifth one is 10,000, sixth one is lakh. And how to read this one? Okay, observe that one, 6 lakhs. Okay, 38, these two are 38 thousands, 500s, 49, like that, 49. Okay, like you fill and read this one. Again, next we shall move on. After the place value chart, the write each of the following numbers in figures. First one number, given number is 9 crore 4 lakh 6,002. Okay, 9 crore 4 lakh 6,002. Okay, next we have to discuss about this one is, okay, how to fill this one? Okay, first write down numerical 9 crores, 9 crores 40 lakhs 1,002. Okay, first fill 2 in ones, 0 in tens, 0 in hundreds, 6, okay, thousands, okay, 6 in thousand place, and 0 in thousand 10,000 place. Okay, next 4 lakhs, 4 in lakhs place. Okay, 0 in 10 lakhs place. Next to 9 in crores place, 9 crore 4 lakh 66,002. Okay, second one is 12 crore 7 lakh 9,207. Okay, 12 crore. Okay, fill first one, 7 in ones, 0 in tens, 2 in hundreds, 9 in thousands, 0 in 10,000s, 7 in lakhs, 10 lakhs, 0. Okay, fill 2 in crores, again 1 in 10 crores. Therefore, it is becomes 12 crores 7 lakh 9,207. Okay, is it understood? Next, third one is 4 lakh 4,040. 4 lakh 4,040. Okay, therefore 40, it is written first in numerals. First in numerals. Okay, 4 lakh 404040. Is it right? Okay, first to fill 0 in unit, starting from your right side. Again, tens in 4, hundreds in 0. Okay, 4 in 10,000, 0 in 10,000, 4 in 1,000, again 4 in lakhs. Therefore, we have to read this one, 4 lakh 4,040. Last one is 21 crore 60 lakh 5,014. Okay, first this one you written in the numeral. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 10 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 10,000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 10 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು ಕ್ರೋರು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು 10 crores ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್: 4 in ones, 1 in tens, 0 in 100, 5 in thousands, 0 in 10,000s, 0 in lakhs, 6 in 10 lakhs, 1 in crores, 2 in 10 crores. Is it understood? How it is read this one? 21 crores, 60 lakhs, 5,000s, 14. Like that, students. You understood how to numbers will be filled in place value chart, and also how to written in sentences also. Okay, after this one we shall move on. Next one is the value and place value or local value of digits in a numerals. What is the place value? Here, remember students, what is the difference between place value and place value? Okay, the place value of a digit in a numeral is its own value. It is not changes every time. Okay, the place value of digit in a numeral is its own value at everywhere place it may be. Okay, for example, place value and place value, we have to discuss first place value. Place value is a digit in a numeral. It is own value. Okay, it is a own value, not changes anytime or at everywhere, at any place. It is not changes the place value. In post, in example 1, in the numeral 6872, the place value of 2 is 2, the place value of 7 is 7, the place value of 8 is 8, the place value of 6 is 6. Okay, in the given numeral, the place value of the unit digit, unit into 1, the place value of 10 digit is 10 into 10. Okay, the place value of 100 is 100 digit into 100. Okay, like that, everywhere the place value will be changes, but the place value not change anywhere, anytime or any place. That is called as a place value. The place value of 6 is 6, 2 is 2, 7 is 7, 8 is 8. Like that, the place value cannot be changes. What is the place to be occurs? That is the value of that number. 2 is the place value, that is the place value. 7 place value is 7. Okay, the place value of 8 is 8. The place value of 6 is 6, like that, students. But the place value will be changes. Okay, next to, in the numeral, observe this example. Here I will give the difference between place value and also place value. Okay, observe this one. In the numeral 8734925, write down ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್, ಓಕೆ, 87 lakhs 34,925. Okay, in this one, the place value of 7, first one, second one is the place value of 9, third one is place value of 4. Okay, fourth one is place value of 3. Okay, next one is, fifth one is place value of 8, sixth one is place value of 5. First, students, for this one Write the given numerals in the place value chart. Write the given numerals in the place value chart. We get first one is ones or unit, second one is tens, third one is hundred, fourth one is thousand, fifth one is 10,000, next one is lakhs, next one is 10 lakhs. Okay, fill the numerals in this place value chart. Okay, 5 in unit place or ones place, 2 in tens place, 9 in hundreds, 4 in thousands, 3 in 10,000s, 7 in lakhs, okay, 8 in 10 lakhs. First one condition is the base value of 7. Base value cannot be changes. Okay. The base value of 7 is 7. The base value of 7 is 7. Okay. Second one is the base value of 9. The base value of 9 is 9. Cannot be changes because the value of base cannot be changed anytime or anywhere. Therefore, the base value of the number or digit is same as, okay, therefore the base value of 9 is 9. Okay, next third one is the place value of 4. Place value of 4. Okay, remember that one. The place value of 4 is equal to, okay, observe that one, unit, tens, hundreds, 4. Okay, place value is 4 into 1000. Okay, 4 into 1000, that is 4000. Okay, the place value is changes. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 is the place value. Similarly, the place value of 3 is 3 into 10,000. Is it right? 3 into 10,000, that is 30,000. Okay, the place value of 8, the place value of 8 is equal to 8 into, okay, 8 is in the place of 10 lakhs. Therefore, 8 into 10 lakhs. 8 is in the place of 10 lakhs. Therefore, that is 8 into 10 lakhs is equal to, okay, 80 lakhs. That is equal to 80 lakhs. Okay, next one is the place value of 5. The place value of 5 is, it is in the unit place or ones place. Therefore, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Is it understood, friends? What is the difference between here? Place value and place value. Place value is the numeral, it not changes anywhere, it is having its own place value. Therefore, the place value of 7 is 7, the place value of 9 is 9, the place value of 8 is 8, the place value of 9 is 9. Okay, like that, the place value of 7 is 7, the place value of 4 is 4. But the place values are changes. The place values are changes. For example, once again, 4, it is in the thousand place. Therefore, that is 4 into 1000 is 4000. That is the place value of 4. Okay, like you understood this one. Next, we shall move on. Next is various types of numbers. Various types of numbers. In various types of numbers, first one is natural numbers. First one is natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting. We're starting from counting one, one pen, one book. Okay, two books, two balls, five balls. Okay, six runs. Like that, what the numbers we are using for counting, those all numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, therefore counting numbers are called natural numbers. Thus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on are all natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. N, capital N is equal to, okay, lower bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Next, to close the bracket. Like that, we denote the set of natural numbers. Next one is the whole numbers. All counting numbers and zero forms the set of whole numbers. All counting numbers. It means all natural numbers including zero. All natural numbers including zero are called whole numbers. All natural numbers, including zero, are called whole numbers. Therefore, thus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, etc., are whole numbers. Okay, thus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are whole numbers. Here clearly, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number, and 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number, it is not a natural number. The set of whole numbers is denoted by capital W. W is equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. Next one is integer, students. Next one is integers. All counting numbers, 0 and negatives of the counting numbers forms the set of integers. All counting numbers 0 and negatives of counting numbers forms the set of integers. Thus, the set of integers is 0, 1, 2, 3. To right side, all positive numbers. Okay, 0 from 0. Okay, left side, all negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Okay, set of all positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The set of all negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The set of all non-negative integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Those are all called as a of integers. Okay, remaining the types of natural numbers we have studied in our classes. Okay, again we shall discuss on another one important even and odd numbers. In number system, it is important. Which are the even numbers and which are the odd numbers? Students, first one is even numbers. First one is even numbers. Which all numbers are called even numbers? A counting numbers divisible by 2 is called an even numbers. A counting number is divisible by 2 is called an even number. For example, thus 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 28, and 30, and so on are all called even numbers. A numbers which are divisible by 2, all numbers are called as a even numbers. Student, for example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 100, 1000, 10,000, those are all called as a even numbers. What are odd numbers? A counting numbers which are not divisible by 2 called an odd numbers. A counting numbers are not divisible by 2. Those are called odd numbers. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on, etc. are called odd numbers. Are called odd numbers. Next one is, students, prime numbers. Next one is prime numbers. A counting number is called prime number if it is has exactly two factors, namely itself and 1. Yes, students, another one easy method. If a prime number is divisible by only 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. Those numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, a counting numbers is called prime number if it is exactly as two factors, namely itself and 1, like that. It is only divisible by itself and 1. Those numbers are called as a prime numbers. All prime numbers less than hundreds are 2, only divisible by 2, and 1, 3. 3 is only divisible by 1 and 3. Okay, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, etc. These are all the okay, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 87, sorry, 89, 97. These are all the prime numbers which are less than 100. Yes, these are all the numbers which are divisible by only the 1 and itself. Only the 1 and itself. Therefore, it is having only two factors, itself and 1. Those are all called as the prime numbers. Test for a prime number, test for a number to be prime. Okay. First, let P be a given number and let n be the smallest counting number such that n square less than or equal to P. Now test whether P is divisible by any one of the prime number less than or equal to n. If yes, P is not a prime number, otherwise P is a prime. Okay, otherwise P is a prime. Okay, next one is co-prime numbers. Next one is co-prime numbers. Next one is co-prime numbers. The natural numbers A and B are said to be co-prime numbers if their SCF is 1. Okay, the co-prime numbers. Two natural numbers A and B are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8, 11. These are all the pair of co-prime numbers because these are all the numbers having SCF only 1. Okay, 2, 3, we find the SCF of 2 and 3. We got only the 1. SCF of 2 and 3 is 1. Therefore, the pair of 2, 3 is called as a co-primes. Like that, 4 and 5, we find the SCF of 4 and 5. We got only 1. We got only 1. Therefore, 4 and 5 are called as a co-prime numbers. 4 and 5 are called as a co-prime numbers. Like that, we have to discuss. The next one is tests of divisibility. Divisibility test. Okay, students, if it is a number is given like that, okay, 2492. If it is, you can't divide, just see and said it is divisible by 2 or not. Like that, that is called as a divisibility test. If it is divisible by 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is any of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are all called as a divisible by 2. For example, 58,694 is divisible by 2, while 6 86,945 is not divisible by 2 because in the unit place digit here 4, therefore last digit or unit digit is 4, therefore it is divisible by 2. But here the unit place digit or last digit unit digit is 5, it is not divisible by 2, therefore the number is not divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. Like the divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, in the number 69th 6 6,95,421, the sum of digits is 27, which is divisible by 3. Because a number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Okay, in this number, sum of 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. Okay, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 6 27. This 27 is divisible by 3, therefore the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then all the given numbers are divisible by 3. For example, it is divisible by 3. Okay, next in the number 9,48,653, the sum of the digits is 35, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 3. Okay, this one is 9,48,653 is not divisible by 3 because the sum of all these digits 9 plus 4. Okay, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 6, 27, 27 plus 5, 32, 32 plus 3, 35. Okay, 35 is not divisible by 3, therefore it is not divisible by the given number. Okay, next we shall move on. The last one, the divisibility, the homework students. Test the which of the following are prime numbers. In this one, which are the prime numbers which are only divisible by 1 and itself? Those are all numbers having prime numbers. Okay, you have to find this one. This is which are the following are prime numbers. And next one is, okay, insert comma and approximate places and in the following numbers write in words ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Okay, you have to write in words and then write the following numbers in the figures using commas. Okay, 45,618, write in the following numbers. You write in this one as numbers. This is the homework today. All of you answer and send in the group. Okay, thank you students. Okay, remaining we shall discuss the incompleted of the divisibility test in the next class. Thank you, have everyone.